Hi guys, this is Meizu 20 Pro and today we are going to review it. Let's start with the unboxing. Just after unbox you will find one beautiful smartphone. Afterward there is one back case and one big Type-C charger that supports 80 watt fast charge. Now look at the smartphone. Its first impression is very good. Its back is made by glass material. Meizu is written at the bottom left and the top left you will find 4 camera ring. First 3 ring there is camera module and the below one there is only flashlight. Overall it is a boxy design. If you look at the front, totally similar to the iPhone. You cannot easily difference between them and its frame is also very premium. And talking about ports and button, on right side you will find power button and volume rocker. At the top there is secondary mic and at the bottom there is speaker grill, Type-C port, primary mic and SIM tray as well. Here frame thickness is 7.8mm and overall smartphone weight is 212 grams. That is little bit high, but your hand grip will be very good. In addition you will find IP54 dust and water resistance as well. So overall personally I like this design, it is very beautiful. Moving to the Meizu 20 Pro display, here you will find 6.8 inches 2K resolution LTPO OLED panel, and for your good visual experience you will find HDR10 plus support as well. With this you will find 120Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits peak brightness for outdoor as well. Here bezels are also very less, 89% screen to body ratio, so overall display is totally value for money. It is a very good display. Talking about the performance, you will find Snapdragon latest chipset 8 Gen 2 that is based on 4nm technology with this 3.2 GHz clock speed and Adreno 740 graphics for gaming as well. About RAM, there is only one option, that is 12GB. You will not find any other option, but I think there should be some 116GB and some other option as well. But overall performance is totally value for money. It is top notch performance. Now look at the important part of smartphone, that is camera. At rear you will find triple camera system, 50 megapixel main camera that has Sony IMX989 sensor, then 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto lens as well. About image quality, its color accuracy, vibrance and details are very good, and about video recording you can do 8K video recording over here. Talking about Meizu 20 Pro connectivity, here you will find Wi-Fi, 5.3 Bluetooth, GPS, NFC and infrared port as well, but you will not find any radio and 3.5mm jack as well. Now we are moving toward the last part of smartphone, that is battery. Here you will find 5000 mAh battery that support 80 watt fast charging and 50 watt wireless charging as well. So if we conclude our complete review, this smartphone design, display, performance, camera, everything is top notch, but in this price range you can check out Vivo V27 Pro as well, that is giving you very beautiful design, and Nubia Z50 Ultra as well. And at the last, if you like this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.